So sometimes in artistic work, you want to make circles or ellipses, but every once in a while you want to make a teardrop shape. And I'm going to show you my method for making a teardrop. So we're back at the Hossfeld bender. I've got the rotary draw set up. I have a form die. This is 2.5 inches. I'll end up with about a 3-inch circle. And then I'm going to make as much of a bend as I can make. Sometimes you have to work out the length of these parts, but you'll kind of see. So I'm going to go as far as I can with the Hossfeld. I'll tighten up the bending element and I'll bend it again. Now there's going to be some spring back. So what I'm going to do now is take off the form die and I'll move that pin a little bit closer, and then I can do maybe 3 little bends. 1, 2, and maybe 3. I'm really pushing on it. Maybe 4. Now there's going to be a little bit of spring back yet, but I'll just put it in the vise, close it, weld it, and then we'll have a nice little teardrop shape. I'll close it up. I'm just closing it up just to mark it. And I'll mark it right about there. So that'll be my cut. Then I'll clamp together and tack it. Okay, so I'll just go ahead and weld it up. I'm using my little Millmatic 211 to just make this weld. So I've clamped it together and I've given myself a nice inside corner. I'll stack some weld on that and grind it so it comes to a nice point. So I put a pretty hot weld on. I'm going to turn the welder down and just stack some weld that I can grind on. What I'm looking for is enough weld across there. I'm a little low here. I'll add a little bit more weld.